It's an amazing view up here. I'm just gonna sit and stay away for a few minutes. Well, hello, good morning friends. I'm here in the Peak District for about an 80k ride, just parked up between Bamford and Hathersage. We're riding a few climbs that I've not done. Firstly is one I have done, and that's the Strines. I'm going to be heading home to Holme Firth, up Home Moss, and then I'm going to crawl back up Snakes Pass. Oh, and one more thing before we go, check out these bad boys. So I picked those up after yesterday's Lincoln Grand Prix, and at the end got a medal and a pair of socks. Feeling good around the ankles. So let's see what they're like out on the road. Here I'm riding alongside Ladybower. Very busy morning, lots of cyclists. Lots of people walking about, enjoying themselves. Here's another group. In the opposite direction from Sheffield. It's been said 1,000 times before, but the road surface up the Strines is just been made for cyclists. It's so smooth. Well and truly got sweated. I've just gone through the Strines. That last bit, well, I wish I turned the camera on. Did 27% at one point. I was killing it. Well folks, I've just swung around the corner to be faced with this. Look at that. Flies everywhere. Look at that bridge over there with the water. Firth, about, well, I don't know how many miles, but going to be heading on to Holme in a little while. I've just finished having lunch at the Riverside Cafe, a hot baguette, a portion of chips and a nice Americano. The mug was massive, really good value as well, so I'm ready to tackle this climb. I've just looked online on the phone, and Holme and Snake's Pass I'm both doing, they're actually not that bad. Quick shot over my right shoulder as I climb upwards out of Holme Firth. Big climb straight away as well, big climb. Again, another bit of video from the same road. Beautiful. Look at that view. As you can see, I've reached the top. It's an amazing view up here. I'm just going to sit and stay there for a few minutes. That's probably one of the toughest rides I've done. Well, I'm going down the other side of Holme Moss towards Woodhead Reservoir, and it's been quite a eye-opener coming down here, to be honest. Wow, I've been flying down here like crazy. Look at that view over there. Well, the last time I was down here at the Woodhead Reservoir was October. Well, it's the same day as Storm Gareth, which was just to the south of Peak District, but it was still very, very windy. Very windy. So it's a lot calmer today. A beautiful day. Well, hello, I'm in Glossop now, bottom of Snake's Pass, just about to go up. So I don't know how long it's going to take me, so I need to change the battery. And I'm sure it looks like it's going to be a good ride up there. The weather's perfect. We're sweating my tits off though all the way up there. Well, you join me at the top of Snake Pass. What a wonderful ride that was, and the big difference between 3 and 4% grading between here and Holme Moss. It was a lot more comfortable. So I'm about to go back down in the direction towards Ladybower now, back to my car. Well, that's it folks, I'm back at the car. It's coming to 4 PM. Started about 10 AM this morning. These hilly ones always take a little bit longer than you imagine. But I've had a great day. It's been fantastic. Especially going up Holme Moss and Snake Pass for the first time ever. There was really truly well, very beautiful rides, lots of great scenery, and Snake Pass wasn't half as busy as I thought it was going to be. I guess it's been a bit Sunday afternoon. Just timed it right maybe? I don't know. But really great climb. So as always, if you've enjoyed watching this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to consider subscribing to the channel as well, that would be awesome. So if you're on board, regular content, more or less every week, sometimes like this weekend, twice a week. But I'm exhausted now, tired, can't wait to get back home, put my feet up, and just have an extended sleep. Well, that's it for me then. Hope you have a great week. If you'd like to let me know what you've been doing this week as well, put it in the comments below this video. It'd be good to read those. So yeah, have a great week. I'll see you again soon.